Happy New Year. Look at these. These red earthquakes are in the last 6 hours that are all showing up in California. This is in telecast. We'll back it out a minute. Oops. It's been messing up. Sorry. Let's get back in there. Let me show you another one. This is RSOEDIS. I just want to show you these earthquakes that are showing up in the United States. 17 minutes ago, 18 minutes ago, 22 minutes ago, 24 minutes ago, and they're kind of small, yes, but there are several in the same area. $24 minutes ago, 42 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago, 49 minutes ago, 53 minutes ago, an hour ago, an hour ago, an hour ago. But see, all these are in the same area. Look at that. That's a lot. Volcano in Hawaii. More earthquakes. That's quite a few. In the last hour even. Let's go 2 hours. Oh, still an hour ago. That's a lot. So there is something definitely going on. Look at all that. The picture in telecast doesn't really show a very good picture. Let me show on here their picture. Okay, now here on the RSOE where the picture is, these little squares with like the sign for if they're checking out your heart rate or something, those are all earthquakes. And you don't, I'll go back to telecast for a minute. They don't really show that here, like along here, as many as they show on here, is what I've noticed. All these other little pictures are something else that's going on. And if you want to find out what it is, you can simply click on it. And then you can click on this part for more details. In the description, methane was detected Saturday seeping out of plugged natural gas well. This is from December 25th. Okay, I'm going to go back to the other map. While we're on here, I want you to notice all these pictures of birds. That's bird flu. And then these are epidemic hazard. Let's see what that is. 100 people suffering food poisoning. Okay, that's happens. It's not, I mean, it can kill you, but it's not some kind of natural disaster. And then notice all these earthquakes here too. This is close to Australia, New Zealand over here. And also these ones around Europe here that don't show up on like the Intellicast map. Always seem to be, there's always more you can find on here. See what I mean? There's none showing up here in Europe on Intellicast. I mean, New Zealand looks like it hasn't had any. Let's go. Sometimes you have to go this way, but it looks like it hasn't had any earthquakes at all, and that's just not true. But you can see by the red dots that there is still quite a bit of action happening here. I don't think any of them are over 0.5. 3.9. Relatively small. 3.4. Yeah. Relatively small. Okay, I'm here on College of DuPage. And I want to show you, here's the date. Now right in here you're going to see a black line that looks like, to me, an energy release. Let's look at it. We'll just go forward here. This is water vapor right there. I noticed this late last night, and that is showing up at 8:45. This is GME time. So you can see it right there. So this is a much wider version, infrared satellite for the Northern Hemisphere. And let's go back. There, now you can see it coming from up here, or possibly there. I don't know where it's coming from. But if we move, let's just check out the time also. 8:45. Okay, whoops. Whoops. So there'll also be another line that'll show up further down. Let me find it for you. La 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 la. Okay, we're getting to it. We're getting to it. Almost there. Oh, that was the same one. Okay, well, I will find it. So is that two of them? Let me get this straight. I'm going to shut it off for a moment. Okay, this is two of them. Here, this time is 23:15. Okay. So there's another one that I saw further down. And it's hard to see on here. There's that one. I think that's the 8:45 one. And then the other one, which is going into the same area. Oh, I'm sorry. Oops. There. 23. I'll find the other one. Okay, so here is the other one, coming right down here. And I don't know where it's going because it doesn't show up on here. And that is at 18:15. Now this is always much more fun if you add some color to it. You can just go under here and pick what you want. And it looks, you know, more dramatic and cool. And you can see this moving in right here. See that? That is bizarre looking. Let's get in on that. It looks like a missile coming right down here, sort of weather. Look at that. It's like it's an alive shark or something. There we go, right there. Like a snake. And then look at this circle right here. See that circle? Almost perfect circle right in there. Let's slow this down just a little. Oh, maybe that's too much. There. And you can see this forming and coming right down. There. There. See that circle? And then this comes right down. Just like that. Okay. Okay, so here's the USGS. And we're talking about earthquakes in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, Brawley, California, Brawley. Oh, here's one in Nevada, which is close to California. Brawley, Oklahoma.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to those people. Want to say hi? This is my granddaughter. Just say hi.
Hi.
We're looking at the earthquake map together. Okay, so on the RSOE, I'm looking at supervolcano monitoring system. These different colors and numbers represent the threat. If you see here, like this is in state of Idaho. The last activity was December 27th. Here in New Zealand, the last one was December 31st. New Zealand, the last activity December 31st. Wyoming, the last activity December 27th. I'm just reading the ones that are close to this time period that we're in right now. In Germany, December 26th. State of California, Long Valley Caldera, December 31st. Indonesia, December 29th. New Zealand, December 31st. Greece, December 16th. Let's look at this one in California, just because there just happened to be a lot of earthquakes going on in this recent period. Let's see, I wanted to get, well, let's look at the population around there. So as you can see, the colors over here in this key, the darker colors are where it's much more populated, and this is where it's located. And the map should be basically the same. And this is very interesting. Long Valley Volcano, Inyo Craters Volcano. Let's back up a little more.
Grandma.
Red Cones Volcano.
Grandma.
Just a moment, honey. Okay. Mono Crater, volcano. Okay, now so there's a few volcanoes in this area. And then I also like to take this. Oh, let's go closer. I'm just trying to shut these little white things down and get closer to the center of this. I like to take this a little. This is like my friend over here. And any place that has like blue lines, there's some kind of picture that somebody's posted, or the satellites that are taken all over. There's another one in Brawley, California, right over here. So let's take a look at what it looks like in that area. Oh, look at this. We have a beautiful line of tires on sticks. A person hiking. This, I don't know why these are here. Maybe people ride bikes and they don't want them to get injured. But this is really pretty area here, isn't it? Beautiful. And there's a large screen TV. No, just kidding. Okay, let's stop. Okay, this is the reason for the tires. Mammoth Motocross Park. And mammoth is mammoth for the mammoths that were like elephants. So they used to live in this area at some point. Which is actually the California mastodon, not mammoth, right there. So I'm going to do a quick getting close to the radar from College of DuPage in the area where the earthquakes have been going on. And if you look, you can see these lines through here. See, and then you can see it's flashing over here also. And if you want to know the time, oh, it doesn't show when it's zoomed. Let's unzoom it, and then you can see the times right here. Okay. So here's the radar from the Santa Ana Mountains in California. And this is an interesting spot where the radar doesn't go through, penetrate. But you can see these lines much better on here. Closer up, see. Let's also look at the, oops, come on, storm relative velocity. Okay, so look at this flashing on and off that's happening. Dim, doom, dom, doom, boom, boom, boom. And in case you're wondering what I'm looking at, it is on College of DuPage. And how you get there is real simple. I'll just go back. I'm just looking at, let's go back one more so you can see. I look at the radar, then I look at the next rad sites, and then I just click on what I want to see, and then it pops up. It's very simple. I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service.